Alrighty, so welcome to week 2 of the Impatient experiment. We've got 2 sprouts in one of the jars of Maxigro, 1 sprout in the other jar of Maxigro, and nothing is going on with our Maxibloom. There's a little bit of green in there, but I have no idea if that's an impatient or something else, as tends to be the case with sphagnum moss. So you can see that the moss is really wet. At first I was concerned that it might actually be too damp for the for what I'm doing, but the Impatiens actually spread it up just fine. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and pH the Maxibloom just to make sure that everything's okay. Back in a second. Alrighty, so I'm going to take my last pipette. Drop that in there. pH solution. I did not realize how difficult it would be to film and do this at the same time. Alrighty. Let's see where we're at. And that looks like a 6 to me. Let's double check. Oh, there's some light. Yep, that matches up to my 6 color. And the green is a 6.5, so we're definitely at a pH 6. Which I believe is where the other plants are too. Most of my water pH is at 6 after I use the Maxibloom and the Maxigro. So the pH looks right. We're just going to have to wait for results in another week. Wanted to show you something else though, just for fun. Based on the results of the sphagnum moss in the jar, I decided to try something out here. I just sprinkled little gem lettuce seeds on top of this sphagnum moss. The sphagnum moss is sitting on top of hydrogen. You can see it there. All right. And this is about roughly 2 gallons of water with about a teaspoon of Maxigro in it. I'm not expecting anything like spectacular of this. It's basically a raft, but wanted to see if the sphagnum is actually going to be able to stop some of the, well, algae growth, viral infections, etc., that you typically see in outdoor rafts. So let's see what happens. See you in a week.